What's up guys, I'm ℙ𝕣𝕠𝕕𝕦𝕔𝕥𝕤. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be revisiting Glossier, and it's been about 3 years since I did my review video on Glossier. Glossier is known for its no makeup look, offering minimalist and natural looking makeup that pretty much stood out from the full coverage matte makeup looks that we were doing in the 2020s. However, since then makeup standards have changed. I feel like after COVID people really started to get into the more natural looking makeup. So in today's video we're going to try out those products again with a different mindset, because when I first tried Glossier I didn't care for it because I was so caught up in having like full coverage makeup that I really didn't see the beauty in the products. And at the time I remember Glossier being super expensive, and now when I look at the prices they don't look that bad. So yeah, if you guys are interested in today's video, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like today's video if you enjoy videos like this, and please subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. It's really crazy how much beauty trends change. Like the fact that we're even wearing tinted moisturizers now instead of like foundation, and some people are just spot concealing and wearing concealer. Like things are so different now. So I'm really curious to see how I feel about these products now that that's kind of like how I wear my makeup. Glossier is now sold at Sephora now, so that's pretty cool. Before you would only be able to shop Glossier's website or go to one of their flagship stores. We now have one in Miami. It's really cute. Okay, so I do have some Glossier skincare. It came in like a group of 3, like just so you could try out the product, and it comes with the milk cleanser, the super bounce, and a luxe cream. So we're going to start off with the super bounce since I already cleansed my skin. Okay, so the super bounce is of 2% hyaluronic acid complex and a pro vitamin B5 that hydrates the skin. Yeah, so it's pretty much just a moisturizer. It's one of their best-selling products, and the full size is $29. And like this product is very lightweight. I can see myself just putting this on a no makeup fresh skin day. It feels really good and it looks really nice on the skin as well. It's giving moisture and a glow. We're gonna go in with the rich priming moisturizer. This is supposed to be a deeply moisturizing, yes, fast absorbing cream for day or night that's vegan, formulated without fragrance. And that's the catch with Glossier. Most of their products are vegan, so if you are like a stickler for how your products are made and where they come from, like Glossier doesn't play about that. And I guess that's why the price tag is the way it is. And this also feels amazing. This feels really good. A 1.7 ounce of this is $35, and I have like a mini size. I really like how this is feeling on my skin right now. It feels so good. Okay, so I also have the Future Dew serum. This serum is $26. So this is pretty much like a glowy product, and I feel like from what I remember the foundation is glowy. I don't know if I want to put 2 glowy products on top of each other. Let's just try. Okay, I was kind of scared, but it feels really soft too, and it's not as oily as I thought it was gonna look. Like all of the products that I just laid on top of each other feels so good. I'm gonna give these products a little time to settle in before I put on the foundation. The foundation is called the Perfecting Skin Tint. It's a sheer skin enhancer. It's $26 for 1 fluid ounce. Compared to other tinted moisturizers that's on the market right now, I don't think $26 is bad. I think Fenty is about the same, and so is Rare Beauty, so that's not too crazy. The description says, in the land between bare skin and makeup exists the imperceptible wash of color that is a perfecting skin tint. So it's supposed to be a breathable, ultra thin formula that evens out the skin's appearance for a smooth, dewy finish. It comes in 12 shades, which allows multiple people to be able to wear the same shade because it is so sheer. It's cruelty free, breathable, and smoothing. I'm wearing shade G4. The formula is pretty liquidy. I'm pretty sure if you wanted to use your hands you could, but I don't want to do that, so we're gonna use a brush. I'm gonna use the Nisa Pinnacle brush. It don't even look like I just put anything on. see it, but barely. So I'm just gonna go directly on my face. Okay, I definitely see a difference. Okay, so this is with, this is without. Crazy enough, I actually like the way it looks. You definitely can see my acne scarring. It's giving a glow. I do think it evened me out just a little bit and added a little bit of color to my skin. But my Rare Beauty and my Fenty Beauty skin tints have more coverage than this does. Like, this is just like on another level of barely there makeup. I think it would have been even better if it already had like SPF in it. Yes, it looks good, but with this amount of coverage, like, I kind of rather just not wear makeup. Like, just put lotion on and walk out the house. But it does look very pretty. Like, I can't deny that. It does look good. So this is what it's looking like. I bought this priming moisturizer that is supposed to be for oil control. I guess I'm gonna have to try it out in another video, but I'm really excited to try this. I do have combo oily skin, so I thought by pairing it with this glowy skin tint, it will help with my oily zones. We're gonna try it anyways. So it's a tube with a pump. This is really cute. Just like a gel-like consistency. I'm just gonna put it in my oily zones and then tap foundation back on top of it. And the gel-like formula is supposed to like quickly absorb into the skin, and it is formulated for oily combo skin in mind. I would definitely use this even when I'm not wearing Glossier products, because I really like how it feels on the skin. Like, everything today feels amazing on the skin. Let's see how it dries down, and I'm gonna put another layer of the skin tint. Now we're gonna put on a little bit of their Balm.com. This is like one of the products that went like super viral. Everybody had the Balm.com. This is also a trial size. I bought this from my last video, and since then they have reformulated the formula, so I'm not too sure how the new one feels. But I recently picked this back up and I was like, I've been sleeping on this stuff. Like, it's just been sitting in my pile of makeup, and it's so freaking good. So good. Super moisturizing. Like, I understand the hype now. Now it comes in so many shades and flavors. The one that I have is just the universal. It doesn't have a fragrance in it. And it's $14. They even changed the packaging. Now the packaging has like a lip applicator, and I really like it. I can't imagine that it'll be that much different, but they wanted to make it cruelty free, so they took out some ingredients. Probably one of the best chapsticks I've ever put on my lips. Like, this feels so good. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, like, as I'm doing my makeup, like, this is growing on me. I really like the way it looks. After putting on the oil primer, like, I could definitely see it taking away some of the shine, and I like that. It looks really good. Next up is the Stretch Concealer. It's supposed to be undetectable and flexible. It comes in this really cute pot. I just think it's so cute, even though I don't typically use pot concealers. It says that it's buildable. It covers everything from dark circles to blemishes and redness with a dewy glowy finish. I have mine in G5 and it comes in 12 shades. So I'm gonna go in with a little flat brush that I got from Morphe. I'm actually liking the way that it's looking, and I don't remember liking it the first time. One thing I will say, it's been 3 years, and the way I apply makeup is so much better now that I just know how to apply products better. I don't remember what I did the first time, but everything doesn't need to be applied with a sponge, you know, especially if you like coverage. If I wanted to like spot correct, I would have needed like a darker concealer. To me, it doesn't make sense to put a light concealer to spot conceal. You can still see it when you put on foundation, so I can only imagine that it will look even more crazy with a skin tint. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just gonna let my blemishes shine. I'm really liking this concealer, at least while I'm applying it. I'm liking how emollient it is. It is very oily, I would say that, but it's applying so smoothly. Okay, so I'm gonna try blending it out with my Real Techniques concealer brush. Since it's such a creamy product, like, it's not gonna dry down. It's just gonna sit there. You have as much time as you want to blend it out. That looks good. It's not like out of control for coverage like my favorite concealers, but that looks really pretty. I could still see like a blemish right here, but it is a lighter concealer, so it's not going to color correct that. Just going to look gray. So maybe color correcting before applying these formulas might help. Yeah, this formula works better with a brush. And then I'm gonna take my foundation brush and blend out any harshness. Okay, so this is what it's looking like, and I'm freaking loving it, guys. While I was applying the concealer, I could definitely see the moisture balance primer doing its thing. It looked more matte in the areas that I put it in. I don't have a bronzer from Glossier, so I'm just gonna put my ℙ Halo Glow on real quick just to bring some warmth. Their bronzer looked pretty shiny. Like, when I say shiny, I mean like glitter. I'm not spending my money on that. I don't need any more bronzers, you guys know that, so I didn't buy any. They also have brow products as well. Like, they're like one of the first people to come out with like a brow pen. I'm not sure if it was called like the Brow Boy or something like that. It's like really coming together, guys. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, so before we put on powder, we're gonna go ahead and put on blush. This is a liquid blush, so you don't want to put a liquid on top of a powder. So we're gonna do the blush first. If you want to try out a lot of products at once, do the Glossier site, because they have so many sets and you could pick and choose and interchange the things that you want. Okay, so back to the blush. I've been seeing a lot of people use red blush, and I got it in the color Spark. Initially I had the color, what is it called, Dusk, and Dusk blended right into my skin. I could not see it, so I'm hoping that I get more color payoff with this one. The packaging is super cute. It looks like a tube of paint. So the blush is called the Cloud Paint, and it's $20. This is what the color is looking like. I mean, we could apply this with our hands, but y'all know I'm not that girl. Oh, it's giving pigment. Okay, Glossier, I see y'all got some pigment. Blend that in with our foundation brush. And this red shade isn't like the darkest color. They have 8 colors to choose from, so there's a lot of options for different skin tones. I think I probably put on a little too much, but I'm not mad at it. The concealer is creasing on me. You guys know I really struggle with my under eyes because they crease really easily, but I'm used to that. Now we're gonna go into their powder. It's called a Wowder powder. Glossier just has their packaging down packed, like cute powder pink is just everything. I got mine in shade G5 through G7, so they make it pretty easy to pick a powder based on what shade your foundation is. From what I remember, like, this has a little bit of shimmer in it, like the lightest bit of shimmer. Okay, so the powder is $22. It's supposed to be a weightless finishing powder, and it comes in 5 shades. So I'm gonna apply it with a powder puff this time and make sure I press it in. It looks pretty flawless to me. And make sure to set all of my oily parts, and then we're gonna do a light layer of powder all over. The packaging just is like perfect to fit your brush in. Like, the powder is really like toning down the glossiness of it all. I'm gonna put a little bit more bronzer on because I'm just like a bronzer girl. I didn't buy any eye makeup from Glossier. I just don't see the point. I would never buy a palette with 3-4 shades in it. I almost forgot I bought a lip gloss. Their lip glosses, they like only have like 3 shades, and the lip gloss is $15, and this is the one that I got. It's in the shade Holographic, and I don't really have a lip gloss that looks like this, so I was like, why not? That's really pretty. So now my last step would be to just set everything. I normally like a luminous setting spray, like my Morphe one, but I don't know where I put it. So we're going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter. Like, there's so much products in front of me. I forgot that I have their holographic stick. Usually I would not put this on top of my powder like I was telling you guys. Let's see if I put it on a brush, it won't affect anything. Okay, it's adding like a little bit of shine. I have it in the shade Topaz. Okay guys, so this is the final look. You guys, I'm very shocked. I'm very shocked. I love it. It looks so pretty, and I'm pretty sure throughout the day it would wear even better. You know, as the day goes by, like your makeup like really like settles in and it looks more like skin. I'm pretty sure that's the direction this is gonna go in, and like I don't even know what else to really say. Like I really love the way my makeup looks, and I don't have on lashes, I don't have on buku layers of makeup. Not only is it a testament to me knowing how to apply my makeup better, it's also a testament to like the state of makeup, where I feel like people are more comfortable with more natural looks, and where I was 3 years ago is totally different from how I feel about makeup and glam now. You guys let me know down below how you feel about today's look and how you feel about Glossier. So that wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to give today's video a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you aren't already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.